What I really love to do is to bring the outside in. And what was really important to me was making sure that texture was added to the tree.
Yes.
By bringing in the outdoors, let's say you can go outside if you have like a pine tree back there, or you can go to a local Christmas tree farm
and get the
clippings.
Yep,
exactly.
the clippings.
It's free. It's inexpensive, right? So
and
you
it
just
makes
get
the house
them.
smell like pine.
Exactly, and it makes a faux tree have a scent.
You see, she dots in real clippings of pine to the fake tree.
So
Brilliant!
So you just have like a little.
She's brilliant.
So this tree had a lot of holes, and the clippings, by doing that, you're able to fill in spaces.
And it smells like pine. I love, look how few ornaments are on this tree ultimately. So it's affordable, but it looks so elegant and expensive. It's just